If you're wondering how to set up custom fields in Outgrow forms, you've come to the right place. This video will show you exactly how to do it quickly and efficiently, so you can start collecting the data you need in no time. Outgrow is a versatile tool that lets you create interactive experiences like quizzes, calculators, and forms. One of the most powerful features is its custom fields, which give you the ability to gather specific information from your users in a personalized way. Whether you're running a survey, generating leads, or collecting customer preferences, custom fields are a game changer. First off, let's dive into how you can add custom fields to your Outgrow form. Once you've created a new form or quiz, head over to the Add Field button, and you'll see various field types to choose from. The custom fields are designed to let you capture unique data based on your specific needs. For example, if you're running a calculator that helps visitors figure out how much they should invest in a gold IRA, you could add custom fields like investment amount, age, and retirement goal. This makes your form dynamic and more engaging for users because it feels tailored to them. To set up a custom field, click on the field type you want, and Outgrow will prompt you to add your question or label. You can then choose the input type, whether it's a text box, drop-down, or radio button, depending on the information you're gathering. Custom fields are completely flexible. You can create as many as you need, and they can be styled to match your brand or the experience you're trying to create. Another great feature with Outgrow's custom fields is that you can make them conditional. This means that certain fields only appear based on previous answers. For example, if a user indicates that they're interested in a specific type of investment, you could set it up so the form asks for additional details relevant to that option. This makes the experience much more seamless and tailored to the user, improving both your conversion rates and the quality of the data you collect. Once your custom fields are in place, make sure to test your form. It's important to ensure everything is working as expected before going live. You can preview the form within Outgrow and walk through it as a user would, making sure the flow feels natural and all fields display correctly. Now, if you're new to Outgrow, you'll be glad to know that you can use this software for completely free from the first link in the description below. We've secured exclusive bonuses to help you get started with Outgrow and take full advantage of all its features, including custom fields. By setting up these custom fields, you're not only enhancing your form, but also collecting valuable data that can help you personalize your offers, increase engagement, and improve conversions. Whether you're in e-commerce, marketing, or any other industry, this feature is a must for creating customized user experiences that deliver results. Make sure to stick around till the end, as I'll be sharing how you can unlock an exclusive extended free trial of Outgrow, one that gives you even more time to experiment with all the features, including custom fields, without any commitments. So if you're ready to start making your forms more dynamic and personalized, head to Outgrow, set up your custom fields, and watch your engagement and data collection soar.